Hi guys, it's getting ready for springtime. Welcome to this episode of MTV. Today I'm going to talk about getting your deck ready for the entertainment area outside in preparation for those summer months where we all get time to spend outside with friends and family, enjoy a bit of sunshine, a book or maybe a wine. So, getting your deck ready. Timber decks go through a hell of a lot in Australia with the climatic conditions we have. Gone through a winter, it's been battered with rains and storms and everything else that might have happened. So the first thing you need to do is clear everything off the deck. Get those pot plants off, remove that barbecue, get the furniture off, the chairs, etc. And have a look at the deck from all over the area, from top to bottom, and check out things like where all the fixtures are, the nails or the screws are. And you will probably need to sand the deck back, depending on what sort of sealer you've used, if you use a decking oil. So many of those decking oils will have instructions on how to maintain, but you need to check the condition of the timber slats. Do you have splitting? Do you have splinters? Do you have cracking? Have you actually got timber that's now starting to wear away, or it could even be a void or a bit of missing debris? Once you've inspected it, don't go and just give it a wash down and start sealing it again with another decking oil. Inspect it first and get that part right. So sanding, and if you suspect there might be bugs or potentially even termite activity, but check it out first before you go and spend all that time and money on putting a new sealer on top. So, in the Monsta range, we have got our wood fix, which will treat the timber, and that will also help prevent any bugs and termites getting back into the timber. And after you've done that, you can then treat it with a decking oil or with our naked sealer. If you've got any missing timber that's broken away, you can even consider our patch it product. That can be used to fill any voids or areas that have been damaged to the point that the timber's gone missing, and then sand and coat over that. So there are two products in our range you can use. All the holes and edges need to be filled first. Then once you've got to that stage, you consider what, and it's nice and sound and stable, you then consider what sealer you're going to put on top. So in our range, we've got our naked sealer, which can be used on any porous or absorbent surface like concrete and pavers, etc., but also perfect for timber decks where you want to maintain the existing look. It will not change the appearance. So if that's the sort of look or appearance you're wanting, the naked sealer is the way to go. Otherwise, you look at the decking oils that you might want, and with the decking oils you need to read those instructions on how they're applied, how many coats you need, how long you need to wait between coats, and how often you need to maintain it, because with many decking oils, every season you need to sand and reapply. So check that out. Prepare and look after your deck. If you take care of wood and timber, it'll look after you. It gives you many, many years of joy, and also it's just a great look and appearance. Timber's going through such a renaissance in Australian homes and buildings now. Take care of it, prepare to fix it and look after it, and you're going to find you have lots of fun out on that deck this summer. Looking forward to seeing your photos on that. If you've got any questions on that, please get our Monsta crew involved. We're there to help you, or drop us a line or a photo. We'd love to see what you've got, and even then I might even respond to you personally. Until next time, MTV, I'll see you then.